Title: Introduction to Algebra. Grade: 6. Duration: 45 minutes. Objective: students will understand the basic concepts of algebra, including variables, expressions, and equations. Students will learn how to use variables to represent unknown quantities and solve simple algebraic equations. Materials: whiteboard and markers. Individual whiteboards or paper for students. Algebraic expression worksheets. Colored markers or highlighters. Introduction: 10 minutes. Begin by asking the students if they have ever seen or heard of algebra before. Explain that algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and describe relationships between them. Write the word algebra on the board and underline it, emphasizing its importance in mathematics. Key concepts: 10 minutes. 4. Define the following key concepts. Variable: a letter or symbol used to represent an unknown quantity. Expression: a combination of numbers, variables, and operations, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Equation: a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal. Examples and interactive practice: 15 minutes. 5. Provide examples of algebraic expressions and equations, such as 2x plus 3, 4y, 7 is equal to 5. Have students try to identify variables, expressions, and equations in these examples. Write a simple equation on the board, such as 3x is equal to 12, and ask students to solve for x. Walk them through the steps of solving it. Divide both sides by 3, x is equal to 4. Guided practice: 5 minutes. 8. Hand out algebraic expression worksheets to students. These worksheets should include a mix of expressions and equations for them to identify and solve. Independent practice: 5 minutes. 9. Have students work individually or in pairs to complete the worksheets. Review and discussion: 5 minutes. 10. Go over the answers to the worksheets as a class, discussing any common errors or misconceptions. Encourage students to ask questions if they are unsure about any concepts. Homework assignment: 5 minutes. 12. Assign homework problems related to algebraic expressions and equations for practice. Ensure students understand the task and provide resources for additional help if needed. Conclusion: 5 minutes. 13. Summarize the key points of the lesson and its importance in solving real-world problems. Remind students to bring any questions or difficulties they encounter with the homework to the next class. Assessment: observe students during guided and independent practice to gauge their understanding. Review completed worksheets and homework assignments for accuracy.